Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a delightful dish, Enoki mushroom and cucumber salad with sausage. Let's jump right in. First things first, gather your ingredients. Enoki mushrooms, a crisp cucumber, some tasty sausages, and fresh cilantro. Trim the root ends of the enoki mushrooms, give them a quick blanch in hot water for about 2 minutes, and then transfer these beauties into a mixing bowl. Now, let's focus on that cucumber. Give it a good wash, peel it, and julienne it into fine stripes. And don't forget about the sausages, chop those into bite-sized pieces. Time to bring it all together. Add some minced garlic, chopped cilantro, light soy sauce, a hint of vinegar, a drizzle of chili oil, and a pinch of salt to your mixing bowl. Give everything a good toss until it's all perfectly combined. There you have it, a lovely enoki mushroom and cucumber salad with sausage, all ready to enjoy. I hope you give this recipe a try and let me know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.